Hello guys, this is one video of our channel and I go to show you my ultimate time of Inazuma 11 Blizzard. Yes, I go to show you in is in my ultimate time, yes. Joseph King, the captain, Arian Matlock, Hermes, the Jack, the Calypstono, the Shen, the Ragnar, Janus, the Valiant, Lane War, Shaun Frost, level 44, yes. Axel Blaze, level 41. Bobby Shear with Volcano Cut, yes. Jude Sharp, David Smafford, Mark Evans, Byron Love, yes. Very interesting players, yes. Very interesting players. Hey, I got to play in my channel very games. I got to show you the competition route of Inazuma 11 1, Inazuma 11 2, Inazuma 11 3 Lightning Bolt, and Inazuma 11 Go Light. Yeah, I got to have the add the Nintendo 2DS, yes, Nintendo 2DS, and I got to, yeah, this is Inazuma 11 free Lightning Bolt in it, yes, and I go to play very much, yeah, and this is the end of video. I go to play much and evolve my time. Subscribe and like. Bye.